What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best under-desk treadmills in 2023. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. If you want to save some money and still get a product of solid quality, we say check out the Go Plus 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill, the best budget option on the market in 2023. As its name suggests, the Go Plus 2-in-1 can be used in 2 different ways. When in unfolded mode, its appearance is similar to a traditional treadmill. Then you can run up to a speed of 12 kilometers per hour. What sets it apart from other products is that the handle folds up and can continue to be used. Its speed is then a maximum of 4 kilometers per hour. You can walk while working if you're equipped with a sitting desk. Its design also differs from other models in terms of display. The first touchscreen is located along the entire handle. It's not very wide, it allows you to choose the desired speed, and its colored lights give an interesting atmosphere. This treadmill is compact, slim, and stylish. When used at low speed, it is very quiet. Even while walking, you don't have to turn up the volume on your devices. The device is suitable for office use. To check your stats, just look down to see another screen near your feet. This is controlled remotely using a remote control. You can then activate the device and check your speed, distance, or calories burned. The dual screen includes a touchscreen for gear selection and a 7-layer impact-resistant tread surface. The Go Plus 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill comes in the size of 27 by 49 by 42 inches, while its weight is 69.5 pounds. To conclude, the Go Plus 2-in-1 is an ideal treadmill for the office. Small in size, it fits neatly under a standing desk so you can walk around while you work. It absorbs shock well, and its design is different and stylish. The fact that it's 2-in-1 gives it an advantage that other models don't have. For the listed price, we are thoroughly impressed. If you're on the lookout for the most compact model out there, we especially single out this Sunny Health Fitness Walk Station for you. This is a foldable manual treadmill with a running surface of 106 by 33 centimeters. And for storage, just fold it and you'll significantly reduce the size. The Sunny Health Fitness Walk Station has 2 anti-slip side rails, which provide a solid base for greater safety while exercising. In addition, the handles are soft, non-slip, and very easy to clean. Although it's manual, this model has a digital monitor that shows distance, speed, calories, and time, so you can keep track of your pace. The maximum weight is 220 pounds. In addition, this Sunny Health Fitness Walk Station is very comfortable to move wherever you need because it has transport wheels, so you won't have to make any unnecessary efforts. The advantages that users particularly like are the compact and foldable design, very stable construction, as well as the digital monitor that displays training information. It also has 3 options to adjust the incline to your liking, as well as speeds from 0.5 to 9 miles per hour. The modern and elegant design has built-in speakers and an aux cable connection for playing and turning on music during exercise. Sunny Health Fitness Walk Station comes with 9 different built-in training programs. The LCD screen shows your speed, time, distance, heart rate, and calories burned. Also, a very practical phone holder is included in the package. We must not forget the pause function, so you'll be able to stop the tape as needed without all your data being saved. And finally, this Sunny Health Fitness Walk Station comes in the size of 50 by 21.5 by 6.5 inches, while its weight is 55 pounds. With this, we have rounded up all the important features of this compact tape, so now we can move on to the next review. This next product we'll talk about on our review list for today is the Rhythm Fun Under-Desk Treadmill, which in our humble opinion is the best mid-range under-desk treadmill available on the market in 2023. This model is ideal for a relaxing walk or a fast professional run on a treadmill. Compared with the thin running belt of other treadmills, the Rhythm Fun Under-Desk Treadmill has an 18-inch wide running belt with the best level of comfort, smooth, balanced, and stable feeling, and solid design. Suitable for anyone under 220 pounds, you won't have to worry about enjoying the fun of walking or jogging slowly in the comfort of your home. With the light weight of 78 pounds, the device only covers a very small space in your living room or office. The product is lightweight, portable, and has a very low profile. It's slim, making it easy to store in a closet, under a bed, couch, or standing desk where you can work and walk at the same time. Also, this treadmill has a design for shock absorption and noise reduction. It packs a 1.5 HP motorized DC electric motor, silicone structure running board, large belt for smooth running in 7 levels, and a durable steel frame that delivers the Rhythm Fun treadmill noise reduction and air shock reduction system. Less noise and more safety to make your running experience quiet and comfortable. Also, the Rhythm Fun Underdesk treadmill has a large LCD screen and a rather modern design. Also included in the mix is a remote control, so you can very easily control the desired functions on the tape, including start, speed, and stop. In addition, the specially designed smart workout app can control time, speed, calories, and mileage, as well as track your workouts on your phone or set up an exercise program. And finally, we'll mention that the product comes in the size of 154.94 by 76.2 by 20.32 centimeters, while its weight is 44 kilograms. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it. If you aren't hesitant to spend a few dollars more in order to get a product of the highest quality and performance, we especially single out the Lifespan TR1200 Underdesk Walking Treadmill, also known as the best high-end underdesk treadmill available on the market in 2023. The Lifespan TR1200 treadmill is one of the best options in this domain, but it's not cheap. At twice the price of most of the other treadmills we recommend, it delivers at least twice better performance, if not significantly more. The company has truly made a wonderful under-the-table treadmill. The product includes a 350-pound weight capacity, a top speed of 4 miles per hour, and wheels that allow you to move the treadmill when not in use. The device also comes with a huge console with large buttons that make it much easier to change the tempo of the machine during operation. The console also doubles as a display for the treadmill, presenting all the necessary information, such as distance traveled, steps taken, and calories burned. But the treadmill's main selling point still might be just how quiet it is, with 6 shock-absorbing zones on the belt to reduce noise as you walk. We particularly enjoy the Bluetooth connectivity, which allows you to send your walks to the Lifespan Active Track Fitness app, which helps you track your progress at the end of the day. This is a fantastic under-table treadmill with a quiet belt and a higher maximum weight rating. The Lifespan TR1200 Underdesk Walking Treadmill features a powerful and durable 2.5 horsepower motor, designed for the needs of a walking-only treadmill. It's one of the best-selling and top-rated devices for a reason. This treadmill has a long and wide walking surface, making it comfortable and safe. The double-layered treadmill is more durable than other treadmills and is supported by 6 compression shock absorbers to keep your feet and joints free from stress and pain. The best thing about this under-the-table treadmill is that it comes assembled and can be used right out of the box. Just put it under your desk and it's ready. If you can afford this beast, we say go for it. Finally, we present to you the long-awaited gold medal and the title of the best overall underdesk treadmill on the market in 2023, the Go Youth 2-in-1 Underdesk Treadmill. This treadmill has a 2.25 horsepower motor and a speed of 0.5 to 6 miles per hour, making it suitable for running and walking. Additional features include Bluetooth connectivity and an LED display for tracking key fitness metrics. The Go Youth 2-in-1 Underdesk Treadmill is compact and portable, and the manufacturer claims it has a quiet motor. If you're looking for an affordable treadmill that you can slide under your desk and multitask while you work, this is a great option. At 6 miles per hour, it'll give you a nice running speed. The durable machine has a shock-absorbing steel frame and a non-slip running belt. Plus, the LED screen will help you get started with one of the 12 built-in programs. It comes pre-assembled with 12 exercise programs to choose from if you want to change up your usual walking routine and make your workouts a little more interesting. Also, Go Youth 2-in-1 Underdesk Treadmill comes with a multi-layer guard design. The Underdesk Treadmill absorbs shock and reduces noise, making your running quieter, safer, and more comfortable. It's compact and relatively light at only 64 pounds, which is especially popular with users. The LED display shows your distance, number of steps, speed, and calories burned. The machine also has a remote control to adjust the speed and Bluetooth capabilities to play music through your phone. Designed to absorb shock, the Go Youth 2-in-1 treadmill is safe to use for both walking and running. It's a great option for working from home, where you might want to burn a few extra calories during the day, which can be tracked with an LED display and wireless remote control. The multifunction LED backlit display shows calories burned, exercise time, current speed, distance traveled, number of steps, and you can track your exercise progress in real time by viewing your fitness data. It has Bluetooth speakers, and you can wirelessly connect your smartphone to the treadmill and listen to music during your session. Overall, this product delivers premium performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. So that's it for the top 5 best under-desk treadmills in 2023. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive the notifications about our latest video.